Okay, next we're gonna add some space here below the paragraphs. And then we're going to round these images and then make them a bit smaller. These are a little bit too big. So the first thing is these P's that are here. These P tags, we need to add space below them. We could also target the images, make them into blocks, and then we can convert them. The other thing that I did in the source code is added a class to each of the images, class equals pick. So yeah, we could do that. We could just make it display inline block, and then we can add the space above. So let's start with that. So I'm going to click the selector, and the new selector is going to be a class called pick. And then for the properties, so the property that we want to target first is display. And then you have a choice here, and we want to choose inline block. Now, inline block means it has its own padding, it has its own margins, it has its border. So now we can target margin dash top, and we'll make that, let's say 30 pixels, just to push that away. There you go. So now we've added that space. And then to make the images round, what we do is add the property border radius. It's border dash radius, and we make it 50%. And that will make the images round. And then to make the images a bit smaller, right now they're 500 by 500, but they're right up against each other. So I'll add the width property, and we'll make it 300 px. You'll see that this distorts that. So we need to add a height value of auto. And that makes that look like that. So we'll save that change. We'll go to save all, make sure all the changes are saved, then go to our browser. And now we have the images in place. We got the spacing that we needed. And then the images are rounded. We have our background image across the top as like a hero. So we're doing pretty good.